Hello, good evening, dear my students. Today we are going to the topic the next wage and means advance. But today topic is that to cover this 1405 and 2021. Dear students, RBI Reserve Bank of India provide was the means by advance of the WMA. V means advance. It is the state by banking of the help them tried over the temporary mismatch in this each of their receipt and the payment. Reserve Bank of India has fixed way of this and we and the means advance limit of this state based on the multiple by factor including the total of expenditure and revenue by deficit and the facial position of the state investment or the WMA is the charge on this RBI report the rate. Repo rates are different and the state are also the allowed by the overdraft facility which is by amount by draw in WMA limit and overdraft the attracted by in this higher rate of the interested in this situations and then dear students unit March 31, 2020 the agreed by this WMA limit of the state was 32,225 crore on the west request of the center and the state. Reserve Bank of India on April 7, 2020 increased by the WMA was limit in the state 60%. This made by available on the additional amount of the 119,365 crore in this estate. The enhanced by the limit was the identify the valid by until September 2022 was by later extended till March 31, 2021. So related to this, Reserve Bank of India also extended in this period which win of the state can be the overdraft from this 14 to 21 consecutive by this working days 36 to 50 working days by the during this quarter to this increased by the WMA was limited gave immediately was inequality of the state to the borrow short term by fund from the Reserve Bank of India and the lower rate by the interest rate. If it was the provide the them greater than comfort by the undertaking this COVID-19 containment by this magnetization by effective and this policy innovations by this also enabled by the stage and space to out of their market growing. Dearest in this paragraph said that WMA and RBI their difference relief by percentage in this additional amounts and time to time increase the extended tiles of this 31 March 2020 and this period of the estate overdraft to this 14 to 21 days and working days. Next topic, dear students, notified by disaster of the declaration relaxation by the SDRF dot. The State Disaster Response Fund DRF has been constituted by the under section 48A. And then Disaster Management Act 2005. This is that primary fund by the available to state government to response to notified disaster. The central government contribute by the 75% of this allocation by this general category and the 90% for the northeast and the hill estate. These paragraphs are that, dear my students, State Disaster Response Fund and Disaster Management Act 2005 in the primary for fund available the central state government and response by notified disaster management. The central government contribute by the 75%. The increase the location of this state disaster response fund to general category in the 90% related to northeast hills estates. In view of the spread of the COVID-19, the government was the India target to COVID-19 as the notified disaster, and state by governments could not spend by state disaster and quarantine by related to the measure of the procurement by the essential by equipment and provide this temporary accommodation by the food, clothing and medical care for people affected by the sheltered in the quarantine camp and this cluster of the containment by operations in immediately by expenditure on this amount by this limit of this 25% SDRF allocation of the year which can be later enhanced to 50%. This paragraph said that government of India targeted by the COVID-19 notified disaster management of this related to the relief by the health equipment by this temporary clothing, medical and safety this food recommendation by the people and shelter they to help this state and central government for the expenditure by the amount of the limitation that 25% and SDRDF allocation by the year to later enhanced by this 50%. And moreover, the first installment by the of central share by the SDRF by released to the advance to air 2021 to all state under SDRF state for provide the amount of the 11,092 crore in this 2020 2020-21 and related to the COVID-19 increase the management of the Disaster Management Act 2005 in this situation control this and expenditure. So dear student, next topic is a financial assistance to a state. To soften by the blow in their violence of it amount they face financial import by the COVID-19 to a state applied the back of the capital expenditure. However, capital expenditure has a higher multiple by factor enhance the future productive by the capacity of the economy and a result to the higher economic growth rate. These paragraphs are related to the COVID-19 and the balance of the sheet by amount increase the applied house capital of expenditure and multiple by the affected. Enhanced by this the productive by the capacity of the economic. and growth the economic rate higher. Therefore, despite by the advance of the financial position of the central government and the financial minister by announcement by the scheme of the financial assistance for the state of the capital expenditure and October 2020, which is the amount by the 12,000 crore of the scheme. Part of the allocation was set up the ICT by a state who carry by reform the latest by three out of the four citizen centers by area identified this prime minister of the finance minister, and this paragraph said that the finance minister announcement by the any types of scheme this financial assessment of the state capital expenditure and really announcement that 2020 October in the 12,000 crore in the scheme by this part of the allocation the was decided to assets. Department of the Expenditure approved by this capital expenditure approved by the RS 11,912 crore in this 27 estate under the scheme. Amount of the 11,830 crore was transformed by the estate. 11 estates were qualified by enhanced allocation of the under part third of scheme. This paragraph said that 27 estates by include this scheme this 11 crore 912 scheme under and 11,830 crore was transformed by the state. 11 estates are qualified as enhanced by allocation of the third phase. Next, special window of the borrowing. Submission of the local body tax for GST and result by the for a review of the laws led to enactment by the GST comparison by the Estate Act 2017. It was agreed to the review by shortfall by a rising by because of the GST implementation of the would not be made by good for ancillary period of the 5 year to from the GST corporation found by this crop was the V generated thought by leave of case on selected item. Related to the dear student, the GST Goods Service Tax Work GST 2017 Act that agreed to the short form by expenditure and GST implementation would not be the made to good period of the 5 years for plan the GST fund. Due to economic slowdown by the short form by 1.10 lakh crore was estimated by the GST compensation fund by a scheme to 2020-21. On the request to the state, the central government decided to set up a special window to borrow the sense estimated by the amount of the shortfall by behalf of the state and pass to them as back to loan to the repeated form the further actually in this comparison by the fund and GST Diwar lockdown showdown the 1 lakh 10 crore was the estimate by GST. So 2021 and 2021 two related no repeated economic slowdown there and shortfall by this 1.10 crore lakh 10 lakh crore was the estimated by the GST and this scheme by this 2020 and 2021. Central government and the decide to be a special window and borrow the estimated by the amount of shortfall. The state bypassed them to loan. Next topic, dear student, maintaining by this dissolution of two state. The Finance Commission constituted by the under Article 280 of the Constitution of the India recommended by the percentage of the net proceeds of the tax on duty to this distributed by among the state and how such by tax duty to not be distributed. And for the Finance Commission was recommended as the biggest hour increase the vertical tax dissolution on the central visual by the pool of from the 22% to the 42% after the considering by Jammu and Kashmir recognition and the Union Territory to the Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. The 15th Finance Commission recommended by the 41 tax devolution. This paragraph said, dear my student, the Article 2 Indian Constitution Article 280 and this percentage was the recommendation and the Commission Finance Commission distributed by the state and the tax or duties. So, fourth Finance Commission recommended by the biggest offer increase the vertical tax devolution and the central visually by poll from the 32.42% after considering Jammu and Kashmir. But their 50 Finance Commission was recommended that 41% devolution. The first quarter by the 2021 to winter by this year declared by the Union goes to tax revenue collection by the however during this period despite by this year the Union government was the country to develop the taxpayer the state on the basis of the budget estimated by the form year 2021 to moreover then renew the observed the latter late last by current quarter to of this. Financial year by the 400 developed by the additional amount of the 45 crore was the state that ruled by a spirit the fiscal def. There is been the Prime Minister leading by the firm they formed by the India to development the any situation this country and so COVID-19 pandemic to received by the appreciation by the globally by beside the talking about the people of the country to provide the critically by medicine to vaccine of the diagnostic by kids protected by the equipment by related to over 150 countries and then the fight of the against the virus to win successfully and every remarkable by the coordinated to effected standard state by collective the fight of the country exhibited by new related to cooperative by federalism and dissolve this governance. Thank you.